You know I'm getting dope. See me, I'm sitting low. On 4G zone. On 4G zone.
I just saw something like oatmeal.
We got the motherfucking man himself, baby. Hey, forget. We got the man himself, Mr. Swag on 10.
Look at that. Motherfucker want to get that jury right.
It's me, Swag on motherfucking 10,
Now he wanna come alive.
Y'all get what? Get what, nigga? I'ma get bread, nigga. Hey, I got car for sale and every motherfucking thing, man. I'm in one
We got the
thing.
motherfucking man himself, baby. Flawless, the motherfucking rich kid in this bitch.
Man, it's all about real noise, you feel me? You need making some real noise, some shit.
Got that boy Nino just walked up, baby.
All like Marvin Nino Young, I am, goddamn, I am too coming soon, fucking with my niggas, you know what I'm talking about, with the Swag on 10 video shoot, you know what I'm talking about, real noise entertainment, BLM, y'all already know how we get out.
What's up, Real Noise Entertainment? It's your girl Keisha, what's up? What are you doing?
Cause you gotta get out, goddamn.
Get out. Yeah, Keisha.
You gotta get out. We gotta show them the real North Swag, goddamn.
Alright, now, ain't you see that shit no more?
Man, what is she gonna say to me?
Can't not gonna put you out there like that, man. On camera.
Alright, all the way out there. ATC. What's up?
Shout out to Phil Project, man. Shout out to the fruit juice in that cup, nigga. Everything.
Yeah.
She on the woman for my flip juice.
Hey.
Real noise entertainment, I fuck with y'all boys, you know what I'm saying, BOE, the arm all the way. I fuck with J-Town, every side, you know what I'm saying, I got all I do is grind in the streets, man, certified.
You know what to do, bro. It's Freak Fest ENT in this bitch.
What it is, nigga, fuck with them boys, Real Noise Entertainment, man. You know I fuck with y'all with a long way, nigga, with that one nigga, shit.
A long way, nigga.
Motherfucking builder, man, we do this shit, man.
I fuck with that nigga Ringo, man. Real.
All the way, nigga, this way back Capital Street shit, nigga, real West Side shit.
Got that swole. What it do, baby?
What's going down, your man Big Swole, man.
Tell Swole, man.
Atlantic Records.
All
that shit.
I'm in this bitch, you already know how I'm rocking BT, microwave music, man. I'm on the north side fucking out, man. With my motherfucking family, I got Real Noise Entertainment. We got all entertainment out here.
It's the boys that I smoke, and I'm hotter than the fire.
Yeah, dude, tell him, man. You don't need no angle.
Hey,
come on here.
Hey, come on.
Yeah, I thought you had.
We got the boy, the builder, baby, Hershey Black.
Man, you already know who it is, your boy HB, Hershey Black on the track, that's why it's beating like that. HBTV himself, nigga, we right here live.
I'm about it. See, they turn their flag on, man, they got no outfit.
What it do, bro? It's your boy 9 Stacks out here, man. Back scene, bro. Swag on 10 Reloaded video, man. I got Flawless out here, man. I got Rock out here, man. I got Six out here, man. Check it out, Drew.
See what it is, man. Little Miss Real Noise ENT, nigga. Swag on 10. Look at the swag, man. Look at the swag, man. This little nigga here got so much goddamn music, don't make no sense, man. This nigga got music for days just packed up in the damn closet, man.
My family already know what it is.
Swagging in the jungle, Rambo. That's my lucky charm, swag, magic, Orlando.
Man, Booker finna get out here, goddamn it. Put some of this loud in these folk crowd, goddamn it. You already know what it is. Real Noise ENT.
What we had,
The first lady, we had the Plan B to my nigga Chill Will spot. Y'all be there tonight, be there, be a triangle.
You know, represent
Young
motherfucking thing. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, hey, young boy, still represent, man. On this damn
West Side, nigga. Put this bitch on the map, nigga, with this motherfucking swag shit, nigga.
Niggas wanna know where that swag come from, bruh.
Come from right here, nigga.
Believe that.
Just started my drive, nigga. Lost 150 on the road, nigga.
Believe that.
By myself, nigga.
That's real talk.
Wasn't no way it was out there.
That's real talk.
Big bro back, nigga.
That's real talk.
All this
back,
shit, nigga. I
nigga.
did that shit.
He did that shit, man.
Nigga, y'all talking about Tupac back, Big Bird back. Yeah.
Young Shy back.
Y'all
Young
talking
Shy
about
back.
Tupac Nigga, you gonna do it again this time.
No, but real niggas, man. What the fuck go down around this
Look here,
motherfucker,
I'm
man?
gonna say one motherfucking thing. You see this face? You see these faces? Freddy Krueger got shit on us, you feel me? When you wake up in the morning, you see us, my nigga. When you go to sleep, you gonna still see us, my niggas. Forever grinding at this motherfucker. You feel me? If you ain't getting money, you ain't getting nothing. I'm telling you, man, real talk.
That ain't getting money.